Set amidst the vast and dramatic mountain scenery of Crown Range, New Zealand, Openfield House emerges as a bold yet poetic architectural statement. Designed by Keshaw McArthur and a multidisciplinary team, this 290-square-meter home embodies a philosophy of living in harmony with nature, dissolving the boundary between interior and exterior spaces while responding to the need for a meaningful, functional dwelling. The home's concept was born from a collaboration with UK-based architecture firm Matheson Whiteley, resulting in a design approach that is minimal, honest, and thoughtful. This house is not merely a shelter. It is a tool to deepen the connection between humans, their environment, their bodies, and their minds. With its simple structure and honest use of materials, the house stands strong against the natural forces of the surrounding landscape. Formally, the house follows a square plan topped with a corrugated metal roof, drawing inspiration from local vernacular structures like miners' huts and agricultural barns. Its layout adopts a rational grid system, creating a high degree of spatial flexibility and circulation flow. This system allows interior spaces to be opened or closed as needed, offering comfort without sacrificing a constant connection to the outdoors. One of the most striking elements of the design is the presence of large concrete masses that serve both as structural supports and as primary architectural features. These volumes appear to grow directly from the earth, giving the impression that the house is an extension of the mountainous terrain. At the heart of the house stands a monumental fireplace, serving as the visual and functional anchor of the entire space. Above these concrete masses, cedar wood boxes are precisely stacked beneath the simple metal roof. This composition creates a balance between heavy and light, solid and transparent elements. The approach not only achieves a compelling aesthetic but also ensures thermal comfort, weather protection, and a sense of warmth and familiarity for its inhabitants. Materiality plays a key role in the strength of Openfield House. Exposed concrete, natural cedar, local stone, and metal elements are used with minimal concealment, creating an honest and timeless material palette. The house is designed to appear as though it has long belonged to the site, rooted in the land and integrated into its surroundings, rather than standing apart from the landscape. An especially intriguing architectural feature is the interior perimeter, reminiscent of the Japanese architectural concept oven. This zone frees the exterior walls from structural duties, transforming them into dynamic transitional spaces. Hidden within are pocket sliding doors that allow the house to open entirely to the outside. When fully opened, the line between indoors and outdoors vanishes, creating a fluid spatial experience immersed in nature. A low concrete upstand runs along this perimeter, offering not only a visual boundary but also functioning as a track for large glass doors and timber screens. When opened, these architectural elements slide seamlessly into the walls, leaving behind a space that feels open and light, yet grounded by the stability of its concrete core. The design philosophy of this home centers on the idea of quiet presence. Openfield House was created as a sanctuary and a place of calm for an active family lifestyle. Its spaces are intentionally modest, designed to enhance the experience of everyday living, akin to the simple pleasure of lying under a tree in the afternoon. A moment of peace, deeply connected to the surrounding world. Through a combination of rational layout, authentic materials, and a deep relationship with the landscape, Openfield House stands as a powerful example of how architecture can enrich human life. It serves as a meaningful inspiration for anyone seeking to design a home that is not only beautiful, but also deeply rooted, quietly simple, and timelessly relevant.